How do I get the OFS server to communicate to Control Expert Simulator? Okay, so let's go through the configuration of the Control Expert first, and then we'll do the OFS server next. So let's create a sample project. For this demonstration, I'll just use a M340 PLC. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I will go into the project settings and enable data dictionary. And that's the first thing. Okay, so now that's enabled, I'll just create a couple of variables. And just give it different types. Say int type, make this real, word, int, should be good enough. Alright, let's go to simulation mode. Let's build the project. Okay, let's connect to the simulator. Let's download to the simulator. Okay, project is in run, it's downloaded to the simulator, everything looks good. I'm in simulation mode. Alright. Let's create an animation table. Let's just add those variables. All right, I'll just put some values in here for now. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Okay, now let's go to the OFS configuration tool. Okay, let's add an alias and create a new device alias. I'll just call it simulator, CE simulator. Is here, and I'm going to add the loopback IP address of 127.0.0.1, and that's what Control Expert is using. No need to specify the destination port, it's default to 502. Okay, now I'll make sure that data dictionary is enabled, no communication break, new symbol detection. So if I create a new symbol on the fly, OFS would automatically detect it. If I do variable, that is. Okay, all right, so let's save this configuration. Okay, and let's launch the client. So here's OFS Testing client. I'm just going to connect to the OFS server there. Okay, do a new group. You can select all the defaults here, no need to change. Okay. Then I'll go item, new item, and I can just pick simulator. So there you are. So you can see all the variables in my project. So let's pick that one for example. It's green, so I know I'm communicating. The value is 1, 2, 3. As you can see in Control Expert is 1, 2, 3. I can change it here. 456. If I go here, 456. Or I can change it here. 555, right? And as you can see, it's 555. And if I look at some of the other tags, variable 3, for example, I should see the same value there. .56. So fairly straightforward, and that's pretty much it. Now, if I add a new tag in Control Expert, so here's my data editor. Let's make this var 6. Incident. Control B to build. var 6 should show up when I add it here. And there it is right there. It's 0, but if I add it here, put a value, I should see that here. There it is, just got updated. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and this is how you would communicate between the OFS Server and the Control Expert Simulator. And this is the latest version of the OFS Server, which is 3.63, Service Pack 3. Thanks for watching.